scramble it up. The 3D mirror cube. This one does take a little bit longer, so. Okay.
Ready? Ready on your marks.
That looks not very scramble it! Give it to me. Here, you scramble mine. I'll
Scrambling it.
You little piece. You are so full of shit, cheater.
I'm scrambling.
Is it scrambled? Let me see it.
Let
me see it.
More.
Great, let me see it. You little cheater. All right.
Can you play Bowser's Fury after this?
Sure.
Please?
Ready?
Okay. Yep.
Set.
Go.
Holy shit.
Oh fuck.
What's with the swearing right out of the gate?
That's a what? That's not Rubik's Cube. That's a Rubik's mess.
It's a Rubik's.
It's a Rubik's mess.
I mean, look at it though. Does that look like a cube?
It will when I'm done with it. What? Is it? Seb, please don't. Seb, stop, dude. Seb, please stop. Thank you.
Hey, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if I play as Bowser Jr. in Bowser's Fury?
Sure. Awesome.
It's really just the controls. It's really the same controls as Mario 3D World, except it's not Luigi physics.
Okay.
So it's a normal 3D Mario then.
Sure.
Did I just do? Wow.
Swore. Got yourself grounded again.
I did it again. So it's done.
I
So I
died.
was doing it right.
And Dad,
Hmm.
here's the one scary thing about Bowser's Fury. Bowser randomly wakes up to attack you.
That's unpredictable.
I did it.
Like, you could be showing some fresh green hills, and then everything gets dark, and giant beams are flying all over the place.
Sounds like the last step. I'm not okay with this.
It's not the last step. I'm getting there.
Yeah, pretty much last step.
Not really.
I don't know.
Oh, this is always the part that's hard to remember.
How do you hold that thing?
Very carefully.
Yeah, it's a mess. You can't call
Don't
it.
do it.
It's not Rubik's Cube, it's Rubik's mess.
Dang it! Hold on.
She's done. Dad, she's done.
I know.
Do you?
How do you even comprehend it? Is each layer the same? Like
It's the same concept. It's just instead of colors, it's different three-dimensional depths.
It's cool. It's cooler than the color ones.
Well, you beat me.
Somehow.
All right, now you solve this one.
No,
I can
I'm
try.
gonna scramble.
God, I don't even remember how to do this one.
I can do it.
How do I scramble this thing? The fact that they're all different shapes is makes